Hi everybody, I'm Charlie with the Recon Shop. Behind me we have this really pristine 68 Camaro in the shop today with a pretty unique dent in the hood. Something was closed in the engine bay, creating a pretty sharp high spot under there. We're going to be fixing this damage using Paintless Dent Repair.
Brandy, zip it.
Sometimes in order to perform PDR, we have to do what's called R&I. That means remove and install. And in order for us to repair this hood, we have to drop the hood liner. We're getting started on this by putting some heat on it just to make it more flexible. We're gonna be knocking down on this, so we want this paint to be as soft as possible. I'm gonna be using these cherry caps, these cherry tips to help protect this paint as I knock down. So they snap onto your knockdowns, allowing you to just have more of a softer tip. I'm going to be using a plastic tip so I don't even scratch the paint on the bottom. You know, something that's funny is a lot of people think that dents just pop out using PDR, but actually it's a series of knocking down from the top and pushing from the bottom in order to remove these dents. And at no point in time does a normal dent just pop out. It really does have to be worked. And after we work it, we do polish the paint just to make sure everything is just completely pristine again. Well, we're really happy with what we were able to do on this 68 Camaro. We kept this vehicle in pristine condition without having to be repainted or anything like that. I'm Charlie with the Recon Shop. And if you have damage on your vehicle and would like to find out if it's a candidate for Paintless Dent Repair, get in touch with us at www.thereconshop.com or give us a call at 512-290-HAIL. That's 512-290-4245. We're conveniently located here at 201 Industrial Boulevard in Cedar Park. I'm Charlie with the Recon Shop. Thanks for watching.